and welcome to day 3 of the Amazing Space Workshop. Today we're going to be talking about how to infuse personality into your space. Infusing personality into your space is the one ingredient that turns nice rooms into great designs. You probably visited a showroom and walked into the space thinking, wow, I want my home to look just like this. Or maybe you stayed at a very chic hotel and you stayed there overnight and you thought that you would love to live there forever. As a designer, I've encountered many beautiful rooms, and the difference between a showroom and your home is one key difference, is that it's missing personality, the key ingredient that up-levels your entire home. Of course, you can buy a bunch of pretty things and put it in a room, and your room will be beautiful, but does it really represent you? My goal is to banish the bland. I want to put an end to generic decorating, and let's start designing with personality and character. That's what takes your room up a notch. Here are 5 easy ways that you can add personality to your space. Tip number 1 would be to add color. Now, as you already learned, that color has the power to impact how you feel. So what personality do you want your room to have? Tip number 2 is to add pattern. Pattern adds interest and showcases your individuality. Tip number 3 is to add artwork. It's a huge opportunity to showcase your personality and highlight what speaks to you. Tip number 4 would be to add accessories. Give your space a unique flair with items that represent you. Tip number 5 is to add heirlooms and items that you collect. Items that have been passed down or collected on a vacation have memories attached and also are one of a kind. So showcase these items in your space to add personality. When you incorporate these items into your home, your house starts to feel like home, and it starts to reflect your story. When your home is well designed, it not only makes a difference in your overall mood, but it also affects how you live life. It changes how you use the room and the experiences that come from it. Suddenly, you start to use the room more and you are enjoying your home and entertaining with friends and family more often, which leads to more laughter, more love, and more memories. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on how to infuse personality into your home. Today's homework will be to add personality to your space using one or all of the 5 tips that I shared with you today. And you have to share a photo in the group with your new updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.